My name is Robby, and this is
Bobby!
She is my sous chef.
I am a sous chef.
This is our mascot,
His name is Timmy.
and this is our cooking show. So today we are going to be making Robby and Bobby's famous healthy fruit bowl breakfast for kids. So what we're going to need is yogurt, strawberries, blueberries. What?
Who's there? It's grapes. No, who's in front of the grapes? It's Timmy! Do you want to say anything just to me?
Grapes are good, but don't eat too many, kids. Okay.
And the appliances that we'll be using is a
strainer, a bowl, a spoon, a knife, and a chopping board.
Let's chop our way into cooking.
It's time to wash up the fruit and our hands.
Bobby, would you please put in 4 strawberries into this nice old bowl?
Yes, chef.
Make sure to ask your parents to help you with opening the packages, or to cut fruit.
Gently. 2, 3.
Does she think 3 is enough? 4! No, 3. Okay. Wait, I'm the cook chef. Yes, but we need 3. Okay.
That shall be enough. Please put in 2 handfuls
How? 2.
Please put in 1 handful of blueberries into the bowl. Make sure to clean up when you're done. Now, would you please add half a handful of grapes?
Yes, chef.
2 very boring minutes later.
Make sure you get your favorite flavor grapes.
Say that again.
Make sure you get your favorite flavor grape. Make sure you get your favorite flavor grapes.
And make sure that you don't squish them too hard.
Break out! Disco dance time!
Now it's time to go wash the fruit.
Make sure to ask your mom or dad to help you chop your fruits. Now that all the strawberries are done being cut, let's cut the grapes in half.
Now grab your yogurt and add it into your bowl. Now that all the yogurt is in the bowl, we're going to be adding the fruit. So let's take the strawberries first. And the grapes. Now we're going to add the blueberries. Plop, 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 plop.
Now it's time to mix. Oh, we're mixing the fruit.
Yes, the fruit.
Oh, okay. Now it's ready to enjoy.
Oh, cold.
It's so good though. And that's
We're Robby. And we're Bobby. We're Robby. And we're Bobby. And we're Robby. Yeah. Yeah. And that's the end of the
And that's the end of the video.
We really hope you enjoyed it and will make this at home. Thanks for watching.
Bye! Bobby, would you please put 3... You just take me to a place where I can walk.
Bobby, make sure to subscribe. Make sure to subscribe. Are you speaking in tongues here?
Wash your hands. Wash your hands. Please wash your hands.
Make sure to ask your mom or dad to help you chop your fruits. What's up with the accent?
Now that your yogurt is in the bowl, add the rest of the... Now that all the yogurt is added into the bowl, add all your fruits. Now I'm just trying to think what I'm going to say.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, go.
Now that all your yogurt is added into the bowl, add the rest of the... 1, 2, 1.
I cannot know when you put in the blueberries.
I can't know when you put in the blueberries.
Now,